PayActiv doesn't charge employees a simple flat monthly fee, but costs can show up through instant transfer fees or employer-side pricing depending on how the company sets it up. By the end, you'll know what employees actually pay out of pocket, what employers are billed, and how to tell when PayActiv is costing you money without you noticing. PayActiv is a workplace financial wellness and earned wage access platform, not a personal banking app. That matters because pricing is split between employers and employees instead of being one visible subscription. Start with the employee side. For most users, access to earned wages is tied to your employer's setup. That means you can often see your earned pay inside the app without paying a subscription just to view it. Where employees do see costs is speed. If you choose instant access to funds instead of waiting for standard transfer timing, the app can apply a fee for faster delivery. That fee is not always the same, and it depends on the transfer option selected at the moment you request the money. Now shift to the employer side. Employers typically pay to offer PayActiv as a benefit to staff. This can include platform access and payroll integration features, so employees can tap into earned wages before payday. That means the employer is often covering the base cost of the system, so employees don't see a monthly subscription deducted from their paycheck. Now clear up the confusion people run into. A lot of users think PayActiv is free in all cases or expensive for everyone. Neither is accurate. It usually depends on two things: your employer's agreement and whether you choose instant payout options. Now explain how to avoid unexpected charges. Every time you request a transfer, look at the final confirmation screen before approving it. That screen is where any instant delivery cost will show up before you commit. If you avoid instant transfer options and use standard timing, you reduce the chance of paying extra fees as an employee. Now put it simply. Employers usually pay for access to the platform, while employees may only pay when they choose faster access to their earned wages. So the key difference is who is paying for convenience. Here's what to do next. Open your PayActiv app and check your transfer options before requesting money. Look specifically for anything labeled instant or expedited and compare it with standard delivery. Then check your employer benefits or HR portal to confirm whether PayActiv is fully covered for your workplace. PayActiv costs are split between employer funding and optional employee speed fees, not a single fixed price for everyone.